Hello, everyone. Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. In today's competitive manufacturing world, automation is a game changer, especially in PP woven bag production. With the growing demand for high quality and durable packaging, manufacturers are turning to automated machines to enhance efficiency, precision, and profitability. By integrating automation, businesses can streamline operations, reduce labor costs, and meet the needs of global markets. In this video, we'll explore why automation is crucial for the future of PP woven bag production and its impact on your business. Labor cost. Our automated PP woven bag making machines, like the liner insertion machine and the cement valve bag making machine, transform your production process. They replace the work of 20 to 25 workers with a single, efficient unit. Tasks like cutting and gusseting, which would usually require a team, are now handled effortlessly. This not only cuts labor costs but also eliminates the challenges of managing a large workforce. No more training, supervision, or human error. Automating these processes boosts efficiency and drives productivity and growth. Precision and accuracy. Automated PP woven bag making machines, like the liner insertion machine and cement valve bag making machine, ensure unmatched precision and accuracy at every stage, from cutting to stitching. These machines eliminate errors and variations, guaranteeing consistent quality and meeting high standards across industries like agriculture, construction, and retail. Advanced sensors and controls allow for precise adjustments, reducing material waste and optimizing efficiency. This accuracy not only enhances product reliability but also builds trust with clients who demand flawless packaging solutions. Bureau of Indian Standards. Our automated cement valve bag making machine ensures that every bag produced adheres to the stringent standards set by the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS. These standards are critical for maintaining the durability, strength, and quality required for various industrial and commercial applications. By automating the production process, our machines guarantee consistent compliance with BIS specifications, eliminating the risks of manual errors that can compromise quality. From precise dimensions to uniform weaving and accurate weight tolerance, every aspect of the bag is meticulously crafted to meet regulatory requirements, ensuring reliability and customer satisfaction in every batch. Cost efficiency and employee management. Our machines, like the liner insertion machine and cement valve bag making machine, are incredibly cost-effective. Recover your investment in just 6 months. By automating, you not only save on labor costs but also turn those savings into direct profits. Automation also eliminates the challenges of managing a large workforce, ensuring a hassle-free production process. Plus, our Five Fingers machines are priced lower than others in India, without sacrificing efficiency, delivering exceptional production levels. They're the perfect solution for boosting profitability and streamlining operations. Continuous production. Our machines, like the liner insertion machine and cement valve bag making machine, are designed for continuous production, boosting capacity to meet rising demand. With seamless efficiency, you can handle bulk orders from clients worldwide, delivering on time without compromising quality. Streamlining operations and scaling output will expand your market presence, help manage larger contracts, and significantly boost profitability. These machines are valuable assets for driving growth and staying competitive in the global market. In conclusion, automation is key to revolutionizing PP woven bag manufacturing. It boosts production capacity, reduces labor costs, and ensures precise, high-quality output. By eliminating the challenges of managing a large workforce, automated machines empower manufacturers to scale operations and meet global demand. Book a free live demo in our factory to know more about the machines. Thank you for watching.